Retrieve your forgotten HSBC security code.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about a common issue that many of us face at some point in time, forgetting our security code. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to retrieve your forgotten HSBC security code. Let's dive in.
What is a HSBC security code?
A HSBC security code is a unique set of digits that you use, along with your username and password, to access online banking services. This acts as an additional layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access.
Can you retrieve a forgotten HSBC security code?
Now you might be wondering, can I retrieve my forgotten HSBC security code? The answer is, you can't retrieve it, but you can reset it. Due to security reasons, the bank doesn't provide the ability to retrieve your existing code, but you can create a new one.
How to reset your HSBC security code?
So, how do you reset your HSBC security code? Follow these steps. 1. Contact HSBC customer support. You can find their number on the back of your debit or credit card, or on their official website. 2. Verify your identity. Be ready to answer a few questions that will help them verify your identity. 3. Request a security code reset. Once your identity is verified, you can request them to reset your security code. 4. You will then receive instructions on how to set up your new security code. Follow these instructions carefully.
What to do after resetting your HSBC security code?
Once you've reset your HSBC security code, make sure to memorize it or note it down in a secure place. However, avoid writing down your security code in places that are easily accessible to others, to protect your account from unauthorized access. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how you can reset your forgotten HSBC security code. Remember, your security code is essential for protecting your account, so keep it safe and confidential. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.